To transfer crypto to a Ledger wallet, start by ensuring you have a Ledger wallet and a computer with internet access. First, install the Ledger Live application on your computer, which is the official software to manage your Ledger device. Launch the application and connect your Ledger wallet to your computer using a USB cable. Next, create an account in Ledger Live if you don't already have one, and set up your Ledger wallet by following the on-screen instructions. Once your wallet is set up, navigate to the Accounts tab in the Ledger Live application and click on Add Account. Choose the type of cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and follow the on-screen instructions to add the account. After adding the account, click on the Receive tab and select the cryptocurrency you just added. Ledger Live will generate a unique address for your cryptocurrency, which you will use to transfer funds to your Ledger wallet. You can either copy the address or display the QR code to share with the sender. To transfer cryptocurrency to your Ledger wallet, provide the sender with the address or QR code. Ensure the sender uses the correct address and cryptocurrency network to avoid any issues with the transfer. Once the transfer is initiated, you can track the transaction status in the Ledger Live application. It is essential to keep your Ledger wallet and computer safe from unauthorized access to protect your cryptocurrency. Always keep your recovery phrase safe and never share it with anyone. Regularly update your Ledger wallet and Ledger Live application to ensure you have the latest security features. By following these steps, you can securely transfer cryptocurrency to your Ledger wallet. Always double-check the address and cryptocurrency network before initiating a transfer to avoid any errors.